Hi kids, how are you all? Hope you all good. I'm your teacher here today to teach you mathematics. Alright, now before we start today's lesson, shall we remind our last time lesson? Yes, we have learned about the pattern identification and find out what comes next. Here I have given you an activity. Let's remind the lesson again. Okay, there are pictures. We'll try to identify what is the pattern here and find out what comes next. Okay, first one, I told you last time, when we have this kind of a question, first we are going to identify what are the different pictures we can see in that pattern. Now here there are two different pictures, apple, banana. Then we are going to see the pattern here, apple after banana, banana after apple, likewise. Then we will find out what comes next into this blank. Right. Apple, banana, apple, banana, apple, banana, apple. Yes, next one. Here we can see there are three different pictures, butterfly, flower, leaf. Then what is the pattern here? Butterfly, flower, leaf. Butterfly, flower. What do you think? What comes next? Yes, leaf. Then again, butterfly. Alright, next one. How many different pictures here? There are three different pictures, tree, carrot, rabbit. And try to identify the pattern here. Tree, carrot, rabbit. Blank, again carrot, rabbit, tree. Let's find out what comes next. Tree, carrot, rabbit, tree, carrot, rabbit, tree. Okay, last one, car, motorbike. We can see only two different pictures, car, motorbike. Then we can see there are two blanks. Let's find out what comes next. Car, motorbike. Motorbike again. Yes, car. Then motorbike, car, again motorbike. Then car. Okay. Let's move on to today's lesson. Today's lesson is about placement. There are three main places. Those are in front, center, and last. First, we'll move on to in front. In front, that means the beginning or the starting item. Here we can see some pictures. We'll try to figure out what is the in front picture. Okay, first one, there's a robot, doll, and teddy. So what is the beginning picture what is the starting picture? That is the in front picture. Yes, that is the tall robot. Okay, next one. We can see a dolphin, a lion, an eagle. Alright, what do you think? What is the in front picture? The beginning or the starting picture? Yes, dolphin. Dolphin. Okay, next. Lollipop, cake, toffee. What is the in front picture? Lollipop. So, did you get it, children? In front means the beginning or the starting item or the picture. Okay? Second placement we are going to learn about is center. Center means middle. Middle. The middle item. Now kids, here I have given you some pictures. We'll see what is the center picture. Right, first one, there's a girl, baby and boy. Now who is the middle one? The center one? Yes, baby. Baby is the center picture. Okay, next one. There's a desk, book, chair. Which one is the center picture? Yes, correct. Book. Book. The middle picture is book. Right, last one. There's a car, train and plane. The center picture is train. Got it? So the center means middle, the middle item. Next, we are going to learn about the last item. Last means final, the final item. Now here there are pictures. We'll figure out what is the last picture here. Okay, first one, apple, banana, grapes. So which one is the last one, the final item? Grapes. Okay, next, spoon, knife, fork. So the last item is fork. Right. Next, carrot, brinjal, loofah. So which one is the last item? The final item? Yes, loofah. Did you get it, Putha? It's very easy. The last item is the final item. Okay kids, now here I have given you a worksheet. It's about the placement. We have already learned there are 3 placements. Those are in front, center, last. In front means the beginning or the starting item. Center means the middle item, and the last means the final item. Right. Now you can do this activity. Alright then, I hope you all will get an idea about the placement. We have learned 3 places: in front, center, last. Then kids, today I'm going to stop my lesson. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Goodbye.